Let me show you how to achieve that Naija vocals mix style. Yo, the name is God's Stay the Solution Career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribe. Today's video, I want to show you how you can achieve that Naija mix. Okay, very simple. Share the video as well. Let me know your comments down there. Let's continue. Alright, so guys, let's move on. I've looked this section that we will be using. This track was done by Lespo, artist in UCC, University of Cape Coast. Okay, I'm going to take you through how I got this mix. So on the vocal tracks, you can see I didn't put anything here. The only thing that you can put here is auto-tune. For me, that's what I like. I don't want to worry the CPU, so I create new group tracks, which is this one. Then I send all the vocals to that group track. Okay, you can see that I've sent it to this group track over here. So let me go to the vocal track. So let me go to the group track. Then I'm going to mute everything, then introduce them one by one. Okay, simple, so that you know what we are doing. All right guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Links to some of my previous videos too also down there. Go and watch them. Some of it may help you. Let's move on. So the first thing you have to consider when you want to achieve those Naija vocal style of mixing, everything starts from scratch. Okay, get a clean vocals and record the best vocals ever. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Making mixing simple, or to get a clean mix, start from scratch. Okay, how you take your vocals, how you record them, how you set your sound card or your audio interface settings, your mic gain. Okay, so what you have to do is to consider that when you are recording initially. The first thing I did was to introduce compressor. This compressor from CUBASE. We all know this compressor. Then I chose lead vox in your face. All right, like that. Okay, so this was my settings for the compressor. If you want to know much about compressor, I have a video there. Go and watch it. Okay, so let's listen to the compressor alone on the vocals.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Alright, so guys, this was the compressor. So the next thing I introduced was the auto-tune. Okay, if you want to know how to detect the right key for an unknown beat, check this video here or go to the description box and click on that video link to watch how to detect the key for an unknown beat. Okay, because you have to get the right key before you input that into the auto tune to achieve a correct key. So from the guy or the artist, this was from the beat, this was the key D minor. Then this was low male. My routine speed was 7. Then I did some little bit tricks here. So let's listen to the compressor and auto tune alone.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Alright, so guys, the next thing I did was to EQ it. Very simple. I use file filter, and this was my settings. If you want to learn much about EQ, I have a step-by-step video there. Go and watch that video. Check this video, okay? Watch this video very careful so that you can EQ any vocals or compress any vocals. That's the main thing in mixing, EQing and compressing. Okay, that's the main thing in mixing. You have to do this almost all the time, so learn how to do this the right way. Let's move on. This was my settings, so let's see. I cut off some of the low ends. I did some surgical EQ, then I boosted here, then boosted here, then I took away some of the frequency that I don't like, boosted where I like. So let's listen to that.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Okay, so the next thing I placed on it was the gate, and this was my settings. I don't want the background noise, so I placed this on it. Let's listen.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Alright guys, sorry for the CPU disturbing, okay? Very simple. Just watch the video, forget about the CPU. All you need is the knowledge. Let's move on. So the next thing I introduced was de-esser, okay, to take away the siblings and the pops that we don't want, and I chose male heavy from the option over here. So the de-esser was on it. We listen.
The guy they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Alright, so you have noticed that I'm just using simple plugins. You don't need big plugins to mix, okay? All you have to do is to understand the basics. So watch those videos, compressor, EQing. I have this video which talks about the must use plugins on every vocals. Check the video linked here, then watch that video. Very simple. So the next thing I did was to introduce this WNS mono. What it does is that it's a denoiser, okay? So it takes away the unwanted background noise, okay? If you want me to go much in depth about this, let me know in the description down there how to use this to take away background noise from your vocals to get a clean vocals, okay? So let's listen to it.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Alright guys, so this was what I placed on the insert channel. Then I came to this EQ style. I did some high pass over here, then I boosted here, okay? So let's listen to it.
All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah.
Alright, so lastly I created some effects, which was this reverb, normal default reverb, okay, reverb B from CUBASE, and this was my settings. If you want to know how to add reverb perfectly to your vocals, check this video or let me know in the description down there, so that I will show you how the secret about adding perfect reverb to your vocals, okay, how to get the perfect reverb on your vocals. Let me know in the description down there. Then I created this one too, stereo enhancer. You know what it does? It widens the vocals, okay. So this was my setting, and I sent it to what, the group track, okay. So the first thing I did was to introduce the stereo enhancer, and this was negative 15.11 dB. Let's listen to that.
All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my. Stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah.
Okay, so guys, the last thing I did was to add this reverb vocal plate from reverb B. So let's listen to it.
All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah.
Alright, so let me bypass this, okay. Then you see the difference now, what you have done. Initially this was how the vocals was sounding without any mix.
All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling.
Okay, the CPU is displayed. So let me bring everything. Alright.
All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my. Stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my vibe. She says she love me, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is how to achieve that Naija vocals mix style. Okay, so when you are done, you go to your backing vocals, you send them to a group like this, left and right. Then you pan them. If you want to know how to pan your vocals perfectly, I have a video there. Check this video here, or go inside the description box and search for how to pan your vocals perfectly. Okay, learn how to pan your vocals the right way. Then you do the same thing on your backing vocals. Simple. Then you blend them together, you fuse them together so that they sound perfect. Okay, this is how to do it. Very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell if you are new here, Okay, it's God's on the beat, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.
All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe.